Hello and welcome. Today we are working on I can memorize my double facts. The reason memorizing your double facts are going to be important is because it will help ease adding and subtracting or kind of working through mental math, if you will. Now, keep in mind, there's people like me that can't do mental math that I still struggle to this day. If you are writing it down on paper, I still write it down on paper. So again, keep in mind, these are little tiny tips and tricks that will help you become a little bit faster when trying to add and subtract, to have those things like kind of like 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5. Again, those are things that will help you in further along the line. So they're good to have memorized and understand. So that is why we do them. But keep in mind, if you have to write things down on paper, it is okay. We are not going to create a visual number line. Okay, our numbers today are 27 and 72. After you're done with this, I want you to leave both of the answers up so you can kind of draw a line in between and the number place value chart. I want you to think, what is different about these two numbers? And you're going to talk about it with your learning coach, but I want you to understand the difference between the numbers. And I want you to think about these numbers in money. So if I were to give you $27, or should I give you $72? What is the difference between those two numbers? And which one is greater? So pause this, work it out with your learning coach, talk it out with your learning coach, and then join me back here. Again, addition and subtraction. Take these in little boxes. So start with the ones, then go to the tens, and then you're adding those, and that will be your sum at the end. Pause and work out with your learning coach. Here's our spiral review. In all signifies addition or subtraction. Again, we need to make sure that we have these vocabulary terms down, these phrases, because they will help later on in pretty much education. Okay, pause and talk this out with your learning coach. Pause. Pause. Okay, you're going to go through this, and again, it's looking in those equations and understanding. Talk it out with your learning coach. Pause and talk it out with your learning coach. Pause and talk it out with your learning coach. Pause and talk it out with your learning coach. Pause and work it out with your learning coach. Again, show your thinking. How would you show your thinking? Again, in all, it's those key words you need to keep track of. In all, what does it mean? There you go. Pause and work with your learning coach. Go in and create. You can go and do your quick check now, or you can do flex your brain. Pause and work it out. Pause and work it out. Pause and work it out. Have a wonderful rest of your day, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.